You know what, this is the perfect moment to show you how to connect via VPN if you have a free account. This is the free machine. You can use it unlimited with the subscription, but let's terminate this and let me show you how to connect if you have a free account via the VPN. The first thing that we have to do, we have to go access machines and then open VPN. We are on Linux. We have 3 operating systems, Windows, Linux, Mac OS. And here you have all the 4 instructions that you need. That's it, 4 instructions. We download the OpenVPN configuration pack. We run with sudo apt install OpenVPN. We locate the full path of the VPN. And then we use sudo OpenVPN. Basically, we download the file. We install OpenVPN, which is the tool that we use. And here we just open it. That's it. Now, if you follow these instructions like I did, and you still get errors, you have the following, the below information. Here we have also information that we can try in order to fix the problem. Right, let me show you what I've encountered. We are inside our downloads folder. Here I downloaded the VPN file that is in step number 1. You just hit download and boom, there you go. In the directory, we have the OpenVPN file. Now, let's open it with Vim. Under here, data ciphers, you see that you have the following line. In the past, I fixed this with the following. I just deleted this part. Data ciphers. Just data. Now I just saved the files and ran the command sudo openvpn and then name of the file, and it worked. But today it did not work. Today I just had to recover a file in order to make it work. Now if I run it, it will complete. Data initiation sequence complete. If we go over here and we ping the machine, we see packages are sent and received. So now we have a connection with the machine that we wanted, as you can see. Okay, another way to fix the VPN issues are from access machine. You will be prompted with this one. You will go open VPN, and here you can check what kind of issue do you have. If you have access to whatever IP you're connected, downloading and getting 404, getting invalid insert error, which I did. If you're using a virtual machine, you will need, right? So just recommendations from TryHackMe. Now, if we go for what I've did, certification error, we are prompted with this page. What you can do, you just select the region that you have. For instance, I was in EU regular 3 and I just switched to EU regular 2, regenerate, wait to regenerate, and then after 1 minute or so, just download the file again. And guess what? We have sequence completed. And what's also crazy is, check this out. If we list again inside our downloads directory and we go sudo vim cybertod and we check the re-downloaded file, you can see that this line is exactly the same with what I had on the file that did not work. So this is something that you could try. Just change the region, regenerate and download the file, and then use the sudo openvpn and the name of your file again. Maybe that will fix it. If not, you can also check Google, and if that doesn't work, then just pay the subscription and use the tag box.